back again. A little bit earlier today, just to make it happen. I don't like to wait in line for anything, so I'm trying to be earlier and getting fast, so I have access to see everything that they have at the fair. So it's a cold day here in New York City, and it's gonna be chill. Seems like I'm very close to the entrance here. So the funny thing was, like, I almost kind of get in because I didn't register on the website. It was free today, so I was like, okay, I'm just gonna go. But I'm here. It's overwhelming, and there's so many books. It's mostly art and photography and writing about art, so it's cool. One of my favorite photographers, beautiful.
So intense. Has it been good though? Yeah. Yeah. So far. Are you selling them? Yeah. And you work for them?
I know it's kind of boring. It's too many people to go and check every book, so I'm just trying to see the publishers that I really like. I bought like a really nice zine and a book already. The third floor.
lot you can tell about a person by their shoes. Where they go, where they been.
Two lines. Yes, on another line. They have two lines over there.
Wow, too many people. Amazing books. A lot of books, good prices. I just got 2 books and I'll explain later. All right, so The fair was really good. It was kind of overwhelming. Too many people. Even though I went. These are the books that I got. I don't have any Diane Arbus book. This is a monograph by Aputure. I really like this book, and I wanted to have something with Diane Arbus' work. That's what I got. And there's this other one by Jet Swan. Material is the name. You can see it. Sorry about the dog. He gets excited every time that I get a camera here. He just gets excited. But anyways, I was talking about Jet Swan. This book, Material, is a beautiful book. He's a UK-based photographer, and it's the work of 3 years. He used to rent like these storefronts and invite like pedestrians just to pose for him. So I really like his lighting, his portraits, his work. So I wanted to have something, and the quality of these books are really good. And this is by Loose Joints. Okay, also I got this scene. There was a lot of scenes, and they were really cool, but this called my attention. It's called Summerland by Daria Svertilova. I don't know how to pronounce that last name. By Palm Press, and I have to read about it. I saw it, and I think the photography is beautiful. So yeah, and I love books, so I got this cap that I saw. It's really cool, and I think it's gonna be really nice, right? I don't know. Okay, so last thing was this bag by Art Photo. Yeah, I needed something to carry everything, and it was very cheap, so that's cool. And yeah, I'm gonna show you. I'm just gonna open up these books, and I'm gonna show you guys so you have an idea. And I'm just like to share my books, so I hope you enjoy it. Like I said, this is a monograph by Aputure, and I mean, Diane Arbus is just incredible. Her work is just, the portraits inspire me. I have to read all of this, but like I said, I don't have any Diane Arbus book, so this is a good to have. It's kind of cool. Like, he used to portray very eccentric people. Look at this. The portraits are just fantastic. Very cool. Anyways, this is Diane Arbus. I have to look at it for more time. This is the book by Jet Swan. I have to read all of this. You're gonna see, I mean, the portraits are really cool. Just the lighting is just like, I don't know, I think he used like natural light. Look at that. And the abstraction. he captures like the details so well. I love this one. It's so cool. See if I can just flip through the pages. These are really cool portraits. Yeah, I don't know what kind of lights he was using, but I just love, looks like fluorescent light. The details are just fantastic. I totally recommend this book, guys. It's really, really cool. It's small, but it's very nice. This is the scene by Daria Sevtilova by Conquest. This is the cover. So it's these photographs that are just I just love. Like the effortless of every image on this scene.
My mom always told me miracles happen every day. Some people don't think so, but they do.
And this was like $15. So this is amazing for inspiration. I just love. Look at this. Is just, I don't know, look at the fog, the cow. Oh, it's so beautiful. Love that. Love those portraits. This photograph was the one that caught my attention. I was like, oh, I need to get this. I have to read over. Miss Daria Sevtilova. I have to Google her. But I love this. I love this. Okay, guys. So I hope you enjoy the books that I got. A little bit of images that I could capture at the fair. Like I said, too many people. There was no like time to me film it like every book, and it's like overwhelming. Anyways, I hope you like it and see you soon.